Hello friends, in this episode of What We Can Get from Cocoa, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make cocoa juice. In this series, I'll be sharing with you 10 different things you can make with cocoa. If you want to be part of this journey, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out. Cut your cocoa pod into two. Remove the seed from it and transfer into a bowl. As you can see from this video, my cocoa is not looking fresh because it has stayed for some time. For better result, it is better to use fresh cocoa. Add water to it and whisk with a whisker vigorously to remove the mucilage from the cocoa beans. Mucilage is a sweet sticky pulp surrounding the cocoa beans within the pod. Mucilage also plays a crucial role during fermentation process by providing the necessary sugar and moisture to facilitate the fermentation of cocoa beans, which help in developing the cocoa flavor. After whisking it and the mucilage has been removed from it, transfer into a sieve to strain the juice from it. Set the juice aside, bring in your lemon and cut into two. Using a strainer, squeeze the lemon into the juice. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar to it and stir together. Then our cocoa juice is ready. This can be served as it is or can be served chilled. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and share this with your loved ones. And here we have our cocoa juice. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in the next episode of What We Can Do with Cocoa. God bless.